Okay, good afternoon, and now I will explain how to do statistic analysis and the result and discussion for PBL. So at first, you need to compute your data from the Google Sheet into the Excel. Then data will come out in this form. This is the original data, and you need to decode it according to the panel number 1 until 15. Just copy and paste from here, then you decoding the panel numbers. After decoding the panel numbers, you will notice that for panel 1, the sample A, B, C is same, but for panel 2, sample will be C for the first, A for the second, B for the third. So now you need to decode it like this. So first you need to write 1 until 15 for 3 times. 1 until 15, 1 until 15, and 1 until 15. Then A for 15, B for 15, and C for 15. Alright. So this is the sample. Now you need to, according to the panel 1, then you look for the sample A. So panel 1, sample A. So you copy down this one into here. For the panel 2, sample A, panel 2, sample A is here. So you need to copy from here. Panel 3, sample A is in the second column also. So copy from here and paste here. Until you complete all 45 rows, you need to copy these 45 rows to Minitab. Okay, so after you copy and paste here, you need to analyze. Click Statistic, ANOVA, one way. For the factor, always is the sample, and for the response, you need to choose. For example, I need to analyze the color with the sample. So select color for response, factor for sample. Then option remain the same. Comparison, click Fisher. OK. Graph remain the same. Result remain the same. Storage remain the same. Click OK. Then they will come out with the result here. Okay, so you need to copy all the result except the last graph into your final report. So repeat your step for the 5 attribute, the leftover 5 attribute. In total, you will get 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. After you get the result, right click, send to the Microsoft Word. The second one also send to the Microsoft Word. Repeat the same until you send all to the Microsoft Word. Then you will get a Microsoft Word with all 6 statistic data. Color versus sample, first one. Then order versus sample, the second attribute. Then for the third one is taste versus sample. For the fourth is juiciness versus sample. Fifth is texture versus sample. Then the sixth one is overall versus sample. So copy and paste to your final project, but under appendix. But then except for this graph, interval no need. Interval for all attribute no need insert into final project. Alright, okay. After that, you need to do a table for mean score. Okay, so you need to, in that table, you need to compute all the mean score. For example, color versus sample, the mean score is this one. Alright, so you need to make a table. So this is for A, B, C. Okay, so this is the mean score. So for sample A, color, for sample A, mean is 4.467. So that 4.467 plus minus the standard deviation 1.7727. After that, you need to look at the subscript. So for this one, this is under subscript A. So you need to put a subscript. Like this. Okay, so repeat again. For the mean score, put the mean plus minus standard deviation. Look at the subscript is the mini A. So again for sample B, 4.867 plus minus 1.356. Then the subscript is also A. So insert again subscript as the A until you complete all the table. So this table need to put in your final report under result and discussion. And all this statistic data you need to put under appendix. So that's all. For the introduction and other parts, please refer the lab manual that given by teacher given by doctor after she has do correction.